All right, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the Kim plugin to swap between tokens on Mode. So it's pretty easy using the GOAT SDK and the Vercel AI SDK. You can just really do this exchange, do the swap through natural language. So I'm already in the actual main file, but you guys are going to have to cd to TypeScript, examples, Vercel AI, and then go to the mode example, right? So then when you're here, you just go to the index.ts file, and this is where the main things are. So if you read the README real quick, you're gonna have to run this command to get the right .m files or .m variables, and we're gonna have to run this command to actually run the file. So if we go in here, I'll look at the file real quick. We are calling the context for the wallet, and we're passing the private key so we can actually access the wallet, passing in the mode mainnet RPC so we can interact with mode, passing the chain as mode here. And as you can see here, we are calling in the Vercel AI toolkit. So we're calling in the Kim plugin from GOAT SDK, and we're saying we want to interact with USDC on mode and mode. And yeah, here the Vercel AI SDK is using GPT-4o Mini. That's going to be what we're going to be using to actually prompt the plugin to do the swap. So now the prompt shows, and we can just give a prompt to say, basically, I want to swap two USDC to mode tokens on Kim for address. Let's get the address real quick. Okay, we got the address. As you can see here, we have 7.922 USDC. So hopefully two of those will be transferred to mode tokens. Okay, so now as you can see, it says the swap of two USDC to mode tokens has been successfully executed, and we can view the actual transaction hash here. So let's copy it. Let's go to mode scan and copy that there. As you can see, we got two USDC to mode. So 2 USDC equals 51.19 mode tokens. And if we go to our wallet, hopefully it shows, yep, as you can see, before it was 7.922 and now it's 5.922, and we have more mode.